So I told you that you're going to have to find an article by the correct author, and we're looking for somebody named Sarah Hodges who works in the psychology department here at the University of Oregon, and we've done a general and interdisciplinary search in OneSearch. Let's go back to articles and databases and indexes here, or if you go back here and go to articles and databases, back where we started. You can also select a subject. Do you see? It says general and interdisciplinary. We can say that's search for somebody in psychology. And that's, again, search for the author, Hodges. And if you want, we can try searching for Sarah, although we don't know what her middle name is. And you noticed also that the last time we did this, there were first initials and middle initials as well. So let's do a search on Hodges and see what we get. Now notice that they're searching different databases this time. PsycNet, Psychology and Behavioral Sciences Collection, PubMed, Web of Science, Pilot's Database, and MIT Cognet. All of these are different except for Web of Science than that first one. And here we get 150 results instead of the other one, which I think was 120. And instead of that article that was written in 1844, we have one that's written in 2013. But still, the first initial is not S. So we can look through these things and try to figure out which one is her. None of these say that there's a 2, an S but 2. There are also some interesting things going on over here. You can sort things by date or by author, so you could see if they maybe spell out their names more. And none of those are really working. So let's see if we can figure out another way to find research by the author that we're looking for, which is Sarah Hodges here at the University of Oregon. So the first thing I'm going to go do is, you've already looked for your author, but let's go do that now. So if we've gone to the University of Oregon's homepage, and we've looked for your Professor Hodges, and here she is. So we know she's SD Hodges if we wanted, but let's also look at her website. Here it says we're interested in many aspects of interpersonal perception and social behavior. In particular, we study empathy, perspective taking, interpersonal sensitivity, and decision making. So now we might want to have our search have both the author's last name, but also maybe some of these keywords. So let's use empathy because it's easy for me to spell. I'll go back here and we're going to add more options, and we can search all fields or even just the title field for empathy and go. So they're searching that same set of databases. Remember, we're still in psychology, and we're searching for an author named Hodges with empathy in the title. So here, Sarah D. Hodges, and we only have 44. You'll notice we've restricted the search a little bit, and here we have one about Birth to Empathy by Sarah D. Hodges, so that's probably the right one.